You've learned to handle everything alone, even when it's too much. As a man, it can feel like you have no support, like you're dealing with everything alone, no matter how heavy it gets. You were taught to stay strong, to not complain, to figure it out on your own, even when you're breaking inside. But that's not how God designed you to live. Deuteronomy 31:6 says, "I will never leave you nor forsake you." When you feel alone, stop and talk to God, out loud if you have to. Tell Him exactly what's weighing on you. No filter. 1 Peter 5:7 says, "Cast your anxiety on Him because He cares for you." That means don't just hold it. Literally give it to Him, daily. You may feel like you have no support as a man, but you are not alone. God is with you, right now,